1,200 cold calls to the first deal was Lucinda Burke. 1,500 cold calls was a guy named Dave Reeker. And 1,800 calls was Bruce the Whipple. All super successful. Put those, and so that parameters of one of the benchmarks. And 1,200, as I recall the slide, that's in a year. Okay, 1,200. I say you're going to do it in a year. So 1,200 cold calls, that's 100 a month, right? Okay. That's 25 a week, right? And I know you're not going to work Saturday, even though you tell me you're not going to work 7 days a week. You're just not. You're part Swiss. You're not going to work 7 days a week, okay? So you're going to work 5 days a week. So 100 cold calls divided by 5 is what? 20. 20. I could make 500 cold calls in a day. One day. And now they got the headsets and all this shit, right? Fuck, I might be able to make 2,000. I'm exaggerating now. Maybe 5,000. I call every fucking seller on the planet in 2 days. But now they got all this shit, automatic dialers. And when I ran a boiler room, which would now be called a call center, we had 300-400 kids. And in those days, there were phones that you pick up, right? During the interviewing process, I'd say, what hand do you wipe your ass with? My right hand. Well, good. Because that's the hand we're going to tape the phone to. We take masking tape. Everybody know what masking tape is? And we tape the phone to the hand. And I used to sit on a platform about 1.5 times higher than this, looking down. And if I didn't see and we had hot lights. If I didn't see the glitter on that motherfucker on that masking tape on your right hand, boom, I'm down on you on the flash. You're fired. You used to have to ask permission to go take a piss. And I recommend you don't take a shit because you're going to have to take the tape off here or learn to wipe your ass with the other hand. It's your choice. We had the strongest boiler room call center stats in the United States of America. In the United States of America. I personally had a 94.6% closing average. 94.6. Me personally. And that was the benchmark for all the 300 or 400. If you didn't close 50%, you're fired. If you got up to take a shit or a piss to me, you're fired. But we were selling motherfuckers. I'm a hammer closer. I know how to sell. I know how to get your fucking money. Whether you want to give it to me or not. You can do it hard or do it easy, kid. But I'm going to get your fucking money. I don't care if you need the product. I don't care if you like the product. As long as you got money to pay for the cocksucker, you're buying it.